7 by 12 Cargo Conversion Series, Step 7. Tiny Trailer Big Upgrade. Crafting the Ultimate Bathroom. Hello friends and family, and welcome to the Adventures of Wonder. And if you haven't done it yet, click on that subscribe button to show the support for my channel, and thank you very much. 7 by 12 Cargo Conversion Series, Step 7. Tiny Trailer Big Upgrade. Crafting the Ultimate Bathroom. My friends, this video is about installing the bathroom section or module only. I will make a separate video showing and explaining the best of my abilities all the water connections and tanks and water pump, everything regarding plumbing. Also, at this point, I hope you have noticed that all these steps are not sequential, meaning they overlap. I started from the nose of the trailer working my way back, so by now you can see I am installing the shower head or opening the hole for the shower head, yet was not done with the kitchen cabinet doors. At this point, I find very important to point out or to mention that, or maybe just a confirmation since you guys can see it here in the videos, but just know I'm doing this conversion meanwhile fully living in it. Let me put it in other words. I'm testing my crafting as I go. And we are done with the connection for my shower. This is like a bidet shower. There's no knobs. Basically, water comes in and that switch is right there to on and off switch. And then on the other side, you have just different kind of spray through the little shower thing. So now we are ready to do some testing for leakage.
Testing the waters, literally. Part 3 or third attempt, because I haven't been successful just once. Okay, let's go. So shower connection ready, shower in the sink just in case, and it's closed, sink is closed. Everything in the sink. I know the sink drainage is working. Anyway, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Fire in the hole. Let's close it. There is a third and successful attempt. The pump is on demand, so if I want to shower, I will turn the shower on. Shower, different features in the shower. Both. Very nice.
When it comes to the design of the bathroom in the Black Diamond, there were several factors to consider, such as the size of the trailer is 7 by 12. The other components in the trailer, such as the kitchen space, bedroom space, storage space, garage space. First, on the other hand, outdoor showers. Outdoor showers are amazing as long as the location allows it. And I am a very discreet person. So I wanted a full indoor shower, as small as I was able to rotate around within the shower pan, right? So also the ground clearance of the trailer is very low. Therefore, I am not installing water tanks on the under the carriage of the trailer. This means I need to choose between having a black water tank and a gray water tank, or having just a gray water tank and a composting toilet, and I chose the latter. For the composting toilet, I got a Boxio, and they are no sponsoring this video by all means, not at all, but I love my little black box, and it's not difficult to maintain at all. Another factor I wanted to consider, or I considered when designing this bathroom, it was the multi-use. If you think about it, the bathroom is a big space needed for your mental health. That's it. so you can feel civilized. How many times you really use it during the day? Because my sink is in the kitchen. So when it's not a bathroom, I needed this bathroom to transform into something else, and that multi-use was to be a closet, more storage space. But I try to keep it very organized, as you can see here in the videos, and uncluttered, so that way I can transform it back into a bathroom when I need to.
The process of making the shower, first I needed to be sure that this piece of furniture, this module, my shower module, is attached to the camper. I need to be sure that everything is attached to the camper. It's not going to be moved according to what the hole that I already opened in the floor. So now this is the base for my shower pan. All the connections are ready to go. So now I'm going to treat the inside of my shower so the water doesn't damage the wood.
The second aspect I needed to be sure or to consider for this part of the process, it is that I was using raw wood, or the wood was not treated. Otherwise, the sealant will not penetrate the pores and seal them against water. As a sealant, I use Flex Seal in its liquid form. And again, by any means, they are no sponsor in this video. The bathroom walls or the shower walls was probably the item that required the most attention or the biggest research on my side, since there are a lot of ways or ideas how to do it out there. But I took my idea from another YouTuber. I'm going to include the link of the video here in the description, or you can just find it at Big Logan 3690. Now I must warn you, this is a heavy workout for your upper body. Okay, so use both arms as multiple directions, try to be uniform, but I recommend only using a brush. I tried different sizes and textures on rollers. I have a wall that I hate because the rollers, and the other ones are really smooth, slick, shiny, and it was done neatly with a brush. Now, why do I say this is a workout? Because you're gonna be moving that brush, and this is thick. The sealant is thick. Just picture like you're trying to use the brush to paint with glue. You don't have to be really fast, but you need to cover everything, and the brush gets heavy for the strokes and everything. I gotta say that this door, and you wait a second and you'll see, is the one that closes the deal here. This is the where I give this elegant, fine touch to the bathroom, to pretty much the whole thing, because the bathroom is a pretty big deal inside the camper. And I thought installing this door was going to be easier. No, it got really tricky, but very well rewarding. Now let's turn it into a shower, transform the clothes into a shower. So let's see how easy it is, and I have no excuses. Can rotate. And that's how I crafted the ultimate bathroom in this 7x12 tiny camper, making this big upgrade. Family, hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe and get notified with the release of the next video in the series. I promise this conversion is raising to a higher level, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a little bit.